In the morning, there are we just starting how to work with the packet tracer. In this regard, we just install the packet tracer. Are you installed the packet tracer in your laptop? Yes or no?
Install, sir.
Installed. Okay. It's open now. Before lunch, in the morning, just we open this packet tracer and how to select devices we discuss. So in this regard, we just making a plan of the network. We just take two router. One router treat as a customer edge router, and suppose this router is installed at your the campus, and another router that is the PE router, and this router is ISP router. So if I want in the campus fully Wi-Fi or fully internet, so definitely in this case we required a lead line from the PE router. This is around 100 Mbps line in the case of the L3C, and further in the local distribution, we just take a LAN cable and help of the LAN cable locally distribute among. And this is the switches, and these all are the Wi-Fi, and these are connected in the local. Okay. So first we selection already done. Hopefully you are also able to how to select a devices and put on your packet tracer. Are you now this try to Naina ki how?
I'm doing in my system, sir.
This is okay. Okay.
Can
Now
you how did you get this router, sir? 2811.
2811. Just this is the router. Okay.
Not sir, left side.
Now just click on this router and go to the right movement. You just and there a lot of router you are showing here. So as
Yes,
per
sir.
your software, just read out move from this location 2811. Are you getting that?
Only 12811 is there, sir.
No problem. No, this is a selection. Just select one. Can you share your currently internet on the same computer? Yes or no?
Share my screen, sir.
Same screen. Okay. So you are able to share. I just allow to you. I stop this sharing. You can share your just go to the computer Zoom. There is share option. Just click on the share and click on screen. So I can say see your screen, and then I help to you how to select these devices.
I'm doing in my computer, sir. Will you allow my computer device? Then I'll be available to share, sir.
Okay. Now this time your computer different or Zoom application different.
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
listening class from phone and I'm doing in my system.
Okay. So next
Allow
time.
my
Yeah. I just wait. You can do it this time. So you can. I wait. No problem. Otherwise tomorrow.
No, sir. I'll do it.
Okay. I'm just wait now. No problem. So now you select another router. So go to the again router option, and again select already again take 2811. One more router. Yes, and place here. Okay, and click where router 0 is right. Click on where the router 0 is right. Just move mouse here. Yeah, router 0 is a writing location. You just click on router 0 writing words. Move
Where
your.
should I?
No, you just 2811 and below 2811 there is written router 0 router 1. Okay, so first
Yes,
we
sir.
go to the router 0 where writing click there, mouse click there where router 0. Yes, just below not router, writing location router 0 to
What
below
should I do in router 0, sir?
to yes now you move your mouse where
Okay.
right router 0, click on this location. Yeah, below just below router 0 where writing router 0, just press there or below router 0. Move your mouse on router 0, just upon router 0.
I should move the router or I should click on the router, sir. I didn't get to your point.
You are now this time your mouse is move at 2811 arrow is saying, okay, seeing here.
Okay.
Okay. So below 2811 router 0 is writing there. Yeah, click on the router 0. Just press. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Remove this router 0. Just write down like your college name. Suppose you are making campus Wi-Fi your college. Yeah.
Okay,
It
sir.
is sufficient. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just click outside. Same router 1. Rename this router 1. Yeah. Remove this. And suppose your college taking internet lease line from a BSNL company, ISP BSNL.
Okay.
ISP BSNL.
Yes, sir.
Because why I write this? Because this is a P ISP router. Either you can say P router, no problem. Okay. Just outside click. And now go to the selection devices. Go to the left down below. Take computer. Left, yeah. Just click on this. Yes, no, this is right. Left side. Where icon is computer showing. Leftmost corner.
Where is computer, sir?
Yeah. Leftmost. Yes. Or more left. Yeah. This is in devices. Click on this.
Yes, sir.
Click on the okay. Now you getting computer. At least 3 or 4 computer laptop selected. Click on the computer. First number. Yeah. Click on the generic. Yeah. This is symbol computer. Yeah. Now select put on location.
Okay, sir.
You at least 3 and 4 computer laptop. This is a PC 0. Another one more PC laptop. You are completely free. As per your requirement, you can select. Okay. And this computer you can put in the proper manner. So just the 2 computer below switch 0. Take 2 PC 0. Just move your mouse on PC 0 and press your mouse. No, not PC 0 symbol. Yeah. And move, not click. Okay.
Okay, I should move, sir.
Just press and hold and yeah. Okay, go to the switch 0, below the switch 0. Move your this computer below to the switch 0.
My computer to
This PC 0, move on below the switch 0.
okay.
Moment, location. Yeah. Very nice. Same you PC 1 also. I just want to make it proper. PC 0 and PC 1 put same location.
PC 0, PC 1.
Same, nearby, very near to PC 0, PC 1.
Okay.
Yeah, or very close, PC 0. Okay. And PC 2 just move below switch 1. Okay.
Okay.
Just hold down one. Now, Nana, just in the campus, some Wi-Fi devices is available. So again, your mouse move the router location below the selection portion, leftmost. Yeah, first is the router. Second, rightmost the switch. Just click. This is a switch. Click on this. These are switches. Then also right near below. Then you have, and then is the wireless. Yeah, click on the wireless. Yeah.
Wireless device. Yes, sir.
The first number Wi-Fi you can select generic. Yeah, first number. Yeah, select this and put any location. Okay. This is the Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi. Okay, just one Wi-Fi. It is sufficient. Now again go to the end user devices.
Sir, which device?
End user, that means the computer symbol. Yeah.
Okay.
Computer symbol, the first number in the same line. Yeah. This is again right. This is end user. End user device means computer, laptop, mobile like this, telephone. Okay. So now you can, if you want to select Wi-Fi your devices, so just select tablet. So just move your mouse. Where is the tablet? This is the phone, and this is a tablet. Yeah. Now select this. Put location. Yeah. Another same one more device, a smart devices like automatically connected your. Okay. Now smart devices again move in the selection portion. Yeah. Okay. it is also request to you to please put in the proper manner. Same row, same location, PC 0, laptop 0 and PDF, same line.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, a lot of
The connection will get lost.
okay. Access point just move in the row of switch 0 and switch 1.
Sir, move switch one.
Wi-Fi device just move in the row of switch 0 and switch 1. I want to make in proper line. Okay, yeah. And same in devices move the location of the PC1, PC2 line. PC0, PC1, PC2. So you just move your this Wi-Fi device in the same line.
Wi-Fi device I should move to PC.
This Wi-Fi already now good location. Your tablet and smart devices. This device is moved in the same row, PC0, PC1. Yeah, very nice. And PPD. Okay. An ISP router, it just move right more. You may take more space. ISP BSNL router. ISP BSNL. Yeah. Select and move right in the same row. In the same row, Satyabhama Institute. Same line. Same line actually. Yeah, okay. That's okay. No problem. Same line. Now it's looking good, na? It's good. Okay. First, you save this your project as your in computer. Save as. Otherwise, tomorrow go to the file. Yeah, click on this. Go to a save as. Not save. Save as. Are you know which location this save? No, no.
Yes, sir. I shared, sir.
No, on desktop save. Otherwise, tomorrow you confuse. Desktop, quick access. Here. No. Again, save as. And the right mode you have organized. Then below quick access, click on desktop. Right most, yeah, desktop. Okay. And put a file name. What is the name of project? You can say internship. Add per your desire. Put any name. Okay. No, internship. Okay. That's okay. Because tomorrow will when again starting, just open this and go further. Okay. Now you select one more computer. Now take one more computer. Yeah. And put this below ISP router. Below ISP router. ISP BSNL. Yeah. And same line below and more in the row of the switches. Okay. No problem. Okay. Now I stop sharing. Now I go ahead. Then you can do according to me.
Okay.
Okay. Now just put yes. Thank you. Okay. So your selection is look like this in your computer. I just making proper row. This is a UDSS selection router. And this laptop, either you can check computer, doesn't matter. Okay. Now I want to connection between this network devices. Selection of devices, you are now aware how to selected selection of the devices. In today data communication, it is required router, switches, and Wi-Fi. And individual device, that devices have facilities to connect to internet like computer, smart devices. So already selection procedure over. Now required how to connect these devices. So definitely, if I want to connect these devices, we required LAN cable. Okay. So again, where is the LAN cable? Just here. First, I discuss types of the LAN cable. Then go ahead. For local connection, it is required LAN cable. In the whole world, LAN cable is a very important cable. Wow, what is the LAN cable? First, I show through the website. LAN cable. Okay. Maybe these are the LAN cable. You can say these all are the LAN cable. So are you seen such types of cable in your life? Yes or no? These all are LAN cable. Okay, na? These are LAN cable. Okay. So now I discuss about this is very important. Without LAN cable in the today internet is not possible. And upcoming this LAN cable modified as a optical fiber, but it take at least 5 to 10 years more time. But this time in the world, 99% internet depend on this LAN cable. It is a very important cable. So now just discuss about this LAN cable. Types of the LAN cable is most important. LAN cable. If you go to the market purchasing the LAN cable, the market scenario, this is available cat 5, cat 6, cat 7. This is a cat 8. This is LAN cable in the market. Mostly in India, mostly internet will be dependent on these two types of LAN cable, cat 5 and cat 6. Upcoming last 2 years, cat 7 is also come in the market, and cat is the latest LAN cable, new types of cable. Okay, but look wise, all cable are same. If I put all cable together, either cat 5, cat 6, cat 7, cat 8, look like all cable are very similar. You can't differentiate which cable is cat 5. Cat means category. Again I repeat, cat means category. Okay, but look like all cable very similar. If I put all cable together, cat 5, cat 6, cat 7 and cat 8, you are not able to identify which cable is the cat 5, which cable is the cat 6, which cable is that, because all cable have 8 wire. All cable have 8 wire. Very simple. All cable have 8 wire. Okay. And look wise also, just again one more. This, so you can't. I just asking if this cable is cat 5, cat 6. No, I don't know, because it may be cat 5, it may be cat 6, it may be cat 7, it may be cat 8. Okay. What is difference between this cable? Only difference due to the all cable making by the copper wire. Again I repeat, doesn't matter all cable, just copper wire. Main plus allow. So basic wire is copper wire plus alloy. Depend on allow, which material of allow. In the old time, mostly glass and some tin, some aluminium may be used. And current time, some silver and also high class platinum wire is also used in cat 8. Not okay. So on the due to this material, cost of the all types of cable will be increased. Okay. One more thing. All cable have 8 wire. Only material for this. What is difference? Due to the material, bandwidth. Are you know what is the bandwidth? Speed of internet. Bandwidth means speed of internet. I just write in the clear word. Bandwidth. Bracket में BW. That means speed of life. Speed of internet. If use the suppose I have at home there is the one Wi-Fi router and just you put internet in your computer. Okay, so this cable, suppose you have internet speed at your home 100 Mbps, but you use the cat 5 cable. The first drawback is simply because if you use the cat 5 cable, so cat 5 cable maximum bandwidth in the cat 5 cable is the only 10 Mbps. Cat 6 cable is the 100 Mbps. Cat 7 is the 300 Mbps. And cat 8 is the 1000 Mbps. So suppose I have internet facilities from the ISP 100 Mbps, but you have use cable here cat 5. So definitely you are not able to take whole speed on your computer, because cat cable is the maximum speed is the 10 Mbps. So as per according our services, this cable will be choice. Our choice depend on the internet services. So in this case, definitely we want to at least minimum cat 6 cable use here. Okay. So again, I repeat, all category either 5, 6, 7, 8, all category only due to the material, their price is high, and due to the material, their bandwidth will be differ. CAT 5 maximum bandwidth is the 10 Mbps. These all information in practical manner, not go to the Google search and book. In the field, I just working with the field, so definitely I give this all specification according to the field. So CAT 5 maximum 10 Mbps, CAT 6 is the 100, CAT 7 300, CAT 8 1000 Mbps. Because of coming time, either you uh, use the high speed internet. Okay. Second is the more thing, length of this cable is maximum 90 meter. Doesn't matter what types of cable, what category of the cable. Any category of the LAN cable have maximum length is the 90 meter. Always keep in the mind, vertical length of the LAN cable is 90 meter. Doesn't matter what types of category, 5, 6, 7 or 8. So again, summarize, uh, in the whole internet, in the world, if I want to go for internet, definitely LAN cable required. LAN cable is the CAT 5, CAT 6, CAT 7, 8. CAT 5 cable, there is a 8 wire, and uh, all category 8 wire. But due to the material, CAT 5 10 Mbps, CAT 6 is the 100, CAT 7 300, CAT 8 1000. But length of all types of category same. Now more specification. This cable doesn't matter what is the color of this cable. If you are going to the books, Google shows a lot of confusion. I just very simple manner, see how many wire in this cable. There is the 8 wire. Just write, remove and just put in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Doesn't matter what is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This 8 wire, this is just put in the sequence. Okay. But do add per your book, there is the color mechanism, but it is very confusion. So I just put this cable 1 to 8 and help of the LAN port. This is the LAN port. LAN port. RJ45. This is RJ45. Okay. Connector. This is a LAN connector image. These are the LAN connector. These all are the LAN connector. More I go for, yeah, this is important. Yeah, you can say this is LAN connector. Yeah, any wire like wire. This is okay. All are the LAN connector. So this LAN connector, this is the cable wire. Okay. So if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 in the sequence, and one side 1 to 8 in the same sequence, another side, because already told you ki maximum length of this cable is the 90 meter maximum length. So all below 19 meter doesn't matter. So one side I just use the RJ45 connector, put this sequence, and in this case, the first and second wire, because this is the electrical wire, this pair is known as the trans pair. Third and sixth, this is the known as the receive pair. 7 or 8, this is the known as the PoE, power of Ethernet. And 4 and 5, 6, this is known as the dummy pair. If I put all cable in the same manner, same sequence, so just this cable divided in the 4 pair, and sequence of the 4 pair 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, and 7, 8. So in this case, the first pair 1 and 2 is known as the transmission pair, and third and 6 is the receiver pair. 6, 4 and 5 you can say dummy pair, and 7 or 8 you can say PoE. What is the meaning of the PoE? Power of Ethernet. I will display explanation tomorrow. What is the meaning of power of Ethernet? Ethernet. Okay. Another side, I just same types of LAN cable, put the same sequence 1 to 8, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 same sequence. So such types of cable is known as straight LAN cable. Straight LAN cable. Same time. Okay. And another manner, just all pair one side 1 to 8, but another thing all replace reverse. First is the 8, then is the 7, then is 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. In the same. Okay. Such types of cable is known as in the same second type. This is the known as there are 3 different names. This is known as the rollover, someplace rollover. Second is the console, and third is the rollover, console, and VGA cable. Okay. Are you know, Nana, where use of the BGA cable? Are you know BGA video?
No, sir.
In your computer, from CPU to monitor, which types of cable use?
I don't have any idea, sir.
Are you know about desktop computer? Ne? Desktop computer, your monitor from CPU connected by one cable. This cable is the BGA cable. Okay. Again, I repeat, in the normal computer at your home, if you laptop, there is not directly any cable showing, but if you have desktop computer, so monitor and CPU, how to connect your monitor by CPU? This required BGA cable. So BGA cable is nothing. This is the same cable. All are the LAN cable, but their connector is different. So name it will be different. If both sides same types of connector used, like this connector same time, that time name is the rollover. If one side this types of connector used and another side console cable, I just discussed, in the same time this is a console cable. So you can see in the console cable, one side the RJ45 connector, another side the computer monitor connector. So depend on the connector, this name BGA cable, both side the male and female type connector, like your desktop computer to monitor, for easy to identify by the normal people, general people. Okay. Console cable already seeing one side the RJ45 and another side the like a female type connector, and another rollover, both side the RJ45 connector. So this cable is not used for the communication. This cable used for the display. You can say login. Sometime you can say configure purpose. This cable is such type used. Okay. Now the third types of cable used. If trans and receive return, meaning is very simple. Again, I repeat, third types of cable. 1, 2, I just receive and trans interchange. One side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another side 4. This is the 3 and 6 receive pair, and he 1, 4, 5 same remain, and in place of 6 you can use 2 number and 7, 8. So just replacement of the trans and replacement of the receive. So it will be changed. So such types of cable it make by the different types of cable. So this is crossover cable. This cable is known as the crossover line cable. So now all cable have the same number of wire, but their position may be changed, cable name be changed. So now question is that which types of cable were used? So definitely BGA cable, console cable, rollover cable, This is used for the display purpose. For example, in your computer, desktop computer, I want any to do anything. So this will be display monitor help of the BJ cable connect your CPU. And the same another two types of cable this used for the communication, that is the straight line cable and crossover line cable. Okay, now question is that in the communication system, where is the straight cable used, where is the crossover cable? Answer is very simple. If both in devices are similar, again I repeat, both in devices are the similar. I just again go back here. If both devices is similar, this is, suppose this is the router to router, here is the one router, here is the router, both router is the same types of device always crossover LAN cable. This is a crossover LAN cable. If different device router to switch, this is the straight cable. So always keep in the mind, if devices are similar, router to router, computer to computer, switch to switch, this is the required crossover LAN cable. Other case will be straight LAN cable. So now just go to connection in this router to router. So as per our discussion, which types of cable required? Crossover LAN cable required. So where is the cable option is available? Please see carefully. In this this location, one symbol is look like electricity. So this is just like cable. Click on this. Different types of cable option is available. If my mouse move, if here my move, here detail will be also you can see below. So automatic nothing. Just first is the console cable. Already we discussed what is the console cable. Next is a straight cable, and next is the crossover. So I want to connect between router to router. Definitely crossover LAN cable. Just click on this route and move my mouse. Click on this your router. This is the fast Ethernet port. For internet, always we connect fast Ethernet port. Again, I repeat, in my computer, I want to go for internet. LAN port in laptop. Okay. So in the laptop LAN port, this is the LAN port. Yeah. In computer, this port is the LAN port. Yeah, you can say fast Ethernet port. So till time, mostly computer, there are two types of for internet facilities connection. One is the Wi-Fi and another is the LAN connector. The Wi-Fi by default here antenna will be there. Otherwise, inbuilt also that Wi-Fi is the LAN port. So if I want to internet just like this, so it is fast Ethernet port. So again, I come back here. I want to connect for internet purpose, communication purpose. So now this fast Ethernet port. So I just select 00 and move another side. Again, select 00. Okay. You can put 0 by 1. There is no problem. But we all are engineers. Definitely, we make some beautiful structure also. Because already you put here. So I just request, no, all are put in the same line. Because look like everything very decent looking. Okay, so same manner here 0 by 0, I just put 0 by 0. You can 0 by 1, no problem. But as a point of engineering, as per a structure, definitely we all are take a beautiful structure. And now router to switches. What types of cable required? Straight cable, because both devices are different. Click here. Click on this again. Now this one already 0 by 0 used, and this put on this switch. You have a lot of port here. So in the switch, don't take any tension. You put any location. I just put 01, no problem. Again, this switch to another switch. Same devices, crossover. Put here 02. This is a 02 as per our beautiful structure. And again, this is the switch to Wi-Fi, different device. Switch different device, Wi-Fi different device. Just a straight cable, connect this port. And my computer, just again take, because this is a switch and this computer, both are the different device. Click here, 02. In my computer, internet port. In the laptop, this is again internet port. And same another side computer, you can put here and again just click OK. So now I save this project for you. Are you able to connect in your computer? Any problem?
Yes, sir. I'm able to connect. Sir.
Okay. So now you make this a sector. Again, we see you tomorrow in the morning. Okay. For 30-20 minutes. Okay. Nana.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just take 30 minutes morning, 30-20 minutes evening. So definitely 4 or 5 days it will go by. Okay. Initially 1-2
Okay,
days
sir.
it may take time, but I know after 1-2 session you are able to doing very fast. Okay. So now I just you save also, and again see you tomorrow in the morning. If any problem, again you share your screen. I will help to you. Okay. Thank you.